Hi guys, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss why your iPad is stuck between the Apple logo and a black screen and effective fixes to address the issue. Let's get started. Your iPad is stuck between the Apple logo and a black screen because an update or restore wasn't completed, and iTunes no longer recognizes the device. To make your gadget recognized by iTunes once more, put your device into the Device Firmware Update or DFU mode to be allowed to install or update its iOS. To do this, plug the iPad into your computer and launch the iTunes on the computer. Hold and press the power and home buttons for about 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, release the power button while holding the home button for 3 to 5 seconds. This should switch your iPad into DFU mode. In this mode, your screen will display completely black. iTunes will detect that the iPad is in recovery mode and, in turn, prompt you on a systematic procedure to install or update its operating system. Follow the steps to retrieve your device from the DFU mode. And that's it. Troubleshooting an iPad stuck on the Apple logo in a black screen is that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.